Hi guys, well we've just come back from another run at Queensland Raceway for the Friday night drifts. It was our third time out. First night with the AU House steer knuckles on, and the other mods that we've done, we finally had the hydraulic handbrake working. All went well. Stuffed up a bit when I ran a bit too long on a delaminated tyre. That's probably my big tip for the night, was when the tyres are letting go, stop, pull in, put some new rubber on. I knew the tyre was starting to let go. I pushed it one more turn, tyre blew. When it let go, took out the brake line into a rear caliper. Actually just ripped the thread out of the caliper, so the caliper's stuffed. Lucky I got this spare car behind us, so we'll pull some calipers off it. They fit, so awesome. But yeah, let those tyres cool down a bit or replace them when things go bad. We also had dramas with some coil packs misfiring, sparking out the side, so we swapped them around a bit. Thanks to my son for convincing me to persevere and push on, and we just kept swapping coil packs, and we found the issue, and then got it on 6 cylinders again, and had a really good night. Got some good experience, some good time in, and got some really good angle out of it. I was pretty happy with what we're able to do. So check out the video, like and subscribe, that would be great, and see you on the next run. Here we go. See what she feels like out here, eh?
Yep.
We've got all 6 cylinders back, so that's a bonus.
Yeah.
Almira tyres on the back, they're a little bit slippery.
if someone's ever been to the wall. Jeez.